We've invested a lot of time and energy delineating this tunnel, and I think there's great anticipation on everyone's part to try to, well, not only to put eyes on it, but...
The Oak Island mystery has intrigued treasure hunters for centuries, with countless theories and journeys attempting to unveil the hidden truths beneath the surface. In a recent development, the Oak Island dive team has made a significant discovery inside a collapsed tunnel, potentially leading to a new treasure location. Located in the infamous M Pit area of Oak Island, the Garden Shaft has been a focal point of recent treasure hunting efforts led by the Lagina brothers, Rick and Marty. Dating back to the mid-18th century, this shaft holds the potential to unlock new areas of the island and reveal long-buried secrets. It is not just any ordinary structure. It is a gateway to the past and possibly to hidden treasures. Renovating and extending the Garden Shaft are crucial for the team's goal to reach and explore a mysterious tunnel carbon dated to as early as the 17th century. This tunnel could be a direct link to the activities of early settlers or treasure seekers on the island. The prospect of descending into that shaft, digging, and potentially being part of unearthing an original tunnel is incredibly gratifying. The Garden Shaft's east to west orientation toward the Baby Blob area, where high concentrations of precious metals have been detected, further highlights its significance. However, renovating a structure as old as the Garden Shaft is no easy task, especially when it's located in an area known for water problems. The team has encountered water infiltration, a common issue in the Money Pit area, which threatens the stability of the shaft and the safety of the excavation process. To combat this, they've used fast-setting urethane to seal off the water intrusion. This solution not only preserves the integrity of the shaft, but also allows the team to continue their work without the constant threat of flooding. The team's approach to renovating the Garden Shaft has been methodical and strategic. They've extended the refurbished shaft down to 87 feet with the ultimate goal of reaching a total depth of nearly 100 feet. This depth is crucial for breaching the mysterious tunnel, believed to be connected to the high concentrations of gold, silver, and other metals detected in the Baby Blob area. The excavation process involves careful coordination and the use of specialized equipment. Strategic core drilling operations have been employed to map out the area and plan their approach. The discovery of the tunnel during these operations provides a clear target for the team to aim for. This tunnel is not just a physical structure, it represents a piece of the puzzle in the Oak Island mystery. Its existence suggests significant activities on the island long before the discovery of the Money Pit. The tunnel's orientation toward the Baby Blob area raises the possibility that it could be a pathway to a treasure trove. Reaching this tunnel is a major milestone in the team's quest. It could provide clues about its builders, its purpose, and most importantly, the treasure it may lead to. The team's efforts are not just about digging through dirt and rock. They're about uncovering a story buried for centuries. The renovation and extension of the Garden Shaft are crucial steps in the ongoing quest to uncover the mysteries of Oak Island. The Lagina brothers and their team are determined to reach the mysterious tunnel below, which holds the promise of leading them to new discoveries and possibly the treasure that has eluded seekers for generations. With each shovel of dirt and each foot of depth, they are not just digging into the ground. They are digging into history, inching closer to uncovering the secrets that Oak Island has kept hidden for so long. Flooding has been a persistent challenge in the excavation process on Oak Island, particularly concerning the efforts surrounding the Garden Shaft. Water infiltration into the shaft poses significant risks to its stability and the team's safety, making it a critical issue to address in the ongoing search for treasure. Flooding in the Garden Shaft is not a new problem. It has been a recurring issue in the history of Oak Island explorations. The island's geography and the proximity of the Money Pit area to the water table contribute to this ongoing challenge. As the team delves deeper into their quest to reach the mysterious tunnel below the shaft, they face an escalating threat of water intrusion. This increasing water pressure exacerbates the infiltration issue, complicating the excavation process in several ways. Water presence in the shaft not only weakens its structural integrity, making it susceptible to collapse, but it also obscures visibility, hindering the team's ability to observe and analyze geological formations and potential artifacts. Moreover, the constant need to pump out water slows down the excavation process, consuming valuable time and resources. Upon entering the cave, the initial impression is that it holds more than anticipated. Carvings adorn the cave walls, creating a truly remarkable sight. To combat the water infiltration issue, the Oak Island team has turned to a modern solution: Fast-setting urethane. This material is utilized to seal off areas of the shaft where water is seeping in. Urethane is an effective choice due to its expansion upon contact with water, filling cracks and crevices to create a waterproof barrier that prevents further infiltration. The application of fast-setting urethane is a delicate process requiring precision and timing. The team must identify specific areas where water enters the shaft and apply the urethane before water pressure becomes overwhelming. This proactive approach helps to maintain the shaft's structural integrity, ensuring the excavation process can proceed without constant interruptions from flooding. The challenges posed by flooding significantly impact the overall excavation process, adding complexity to the operation. Managing water intrusion requires additional equipment, labor, and planning. It also introduces unpredictability, as sudden increases in water pressure can swiftly alter conditions within the shaft. Despite these challenges, the team's effective management of water infiltration showcases their determination and ingenuity. Utilizing fast-setting urethane and other water management techniques allows the team to continue their work in pursuit of Oak Island's secrets, even in the face of this persistent obstacle. This ongoing battle against water highlights the complexities and difficulties of treasure hunting on the island. Nevertheless, the team's perseverance and innovative approaches continue to push the boundaries of what is achievable in the quest to uncover Oak Island's mysteries. The discovery of Aladdin's Cave marks a significant breakthrough in the ongoing excavation efforts on Oak Island. This expansive underground cavity, found during core drilling operations in Boreal KL 14.5, has captured the imagination of the treasure hunting team due to its potential connection to the island's treasure. We're going to put the camera down in KL 14.5. I think we're all hoping to see some evidence that humans actually excavated this cave, says one team member. Aladdin's Cave is not merely a geological formation. It is a captivating clue in the puzzle that is Oak Island. Its discovery during core drilling operations suggests there may be more to the island's underground landscape than previously thought. The cave's size and location make it a prime candidate for further exploration, as it could potentially hold valuable artifacts or even treasure. The cave's proximity to the Baby Blob area raises the possibility that it could be part of a network of tunnels or chambers used by early settlers or treasure seekers to conceal their valuable possessions. The exploration of Aladdin's Cave has been a methodical process. The team has employed a high-definition camera to navigate the cave's interior, providing a clear view of its features. The camera's ability to operate in low-light conditions and pan and tilt for a 360 degrees view has been instrumental in surveying the cave's vast expanse. Initial observations from the camera exploration have revealed a wide-open space with possible man-made features. These include what appears to be a square-headed bolt, indicating potential human activity within the cave. The presence of such artifacts is a promising sign that the cave may have been utilized by people in the past, potentially for hiding treasure. Exploring an underground cavity like Aladdin's Cave presents challenges. The cave's size, water presence, and silt make navigation and visibility difficult. The team relies on technology, such as the high-definition camera, to overcome these obstacles and gather as much information as possible about the cave's layout and contents. Another challenge is interpreting the data collected from the exploration. While the camera provides a visual representation of the cave, determining the significance of what is seen requires careful analysis and expert knowledge. The team must piece together the clues gathered from the cave to form a complete picture of its history and potential connection to the treasure. We see something that looks square, like a square-headed bolt, which would clearly be man-made. That's what we're looking for in Aladdin's Cave, evidence that humans were inside it, explains another team member. The discovery of Aladdin's Cave is just the beginning of what promises to be an exciting chapter in the Oak Island treasure hunt. The team plans to use sonar technology to map out the cave's dimensions and identify any openings or treasure locations. This advanced technology will provide a detailed understanding of the cave's structure and guide future exploration efforts. Sonar technology works by emitting sound waves and analyzing the echoes that bounce back, creating detailed images of the surrounding environment. Unlike traditional methods that rely heavily on visual observation and physical excavation, sonar allows the team to see through the water and silt that fill the cave, revealing its secrets without extensive digging. One of the primary goals of employing sonar technology in Aladdin's Cave is to identify potential treasure locations. The cave's proximity to the Baby Blob suggests it could be part of a network leading to hidden treasures. By mapping the cave's layout with precision, the team hopes to uncover valuable clues that bring them closer to unlocking the secrets of Oak Island. The use of sonar technology represents a significant advancement in the exploration of Oak Island. As the exploration of Aladdin's cave continues, the hope remains that it will yield clues that bring the team closer to uncovering the treasure that has captivated the imaginations of treasure hunters for generations. By identifying any openings or chambers, the team can pinpoint areas most likely to contain valuable artifacts or treasure. The identification of potential treasure locations enables the team to focus their excavation efforts more effectively, increasing the chances of making significant discoveries. It also helps to minimize disturbance to the surrounding environment, as targeted excavations can be conducted based on sonar data. The information gathered from the sonar exploration of Aladdin's cave will play a crucial role in guiding the team's future exploration efforts. Providing a detailed map of the cave structure, the sonar data will assist the team in planning their next steps with greater precision and confidence. In addition to guiding physical excavation, the sonar data can inform the team's historical research by correlating the cave's features with historical records and previous findings on the island. This approach allows for a better understanding of the cave's origins and its role in the Oak Island mystery. The integration of technology into the exploration process not only enhances the team's ability to make discoveries, but also adds a new dimension to the treasure hunt. It allows the team to explore areas previously inaccessible or too risky to investigate, opening up new possibilities for uncovering the island's hidden secrets. The use of sonar technology represents a significant step forward in the exploration process, showcasing the crucial role of advanced tools and techniques in the search for treasure. As the team continues to explore Aladdin's cave and other areas of the island, they remain hopeful that their efforts will lead to the discovery of the long-sought-after treasure of Oak Island. Another significant and fascinating discovery made by the Oak Island team in recent years is the lead cross found at Smith's Cove. This artifact has captured the imagination of both treasure hunters and viewers of the Curse of Oak Island due to its potential historical significance and possible connection to the Knights Templar. The lead cross was uncovered during an excavation at Smith's Cove, an area on Oak Island known for its mysterious flood tunnels and historical artifacts. I would love it to be something associated with the Templars, because 300 years ago, they were rivaling the monarchy and the Vatican for power and influence, right? And then they're gone, mentions one team member. Measuring approximately 2.5 inches long and 1.5 inches wide with a simple yet distinct design, the lead cross's discovery was a moment of excitement and wonder for the team. Unlike any other artifact found on the island up to that point, experts suggested that the lead cross might be of medieval origin, dating back several centuries. This time period aligns with the era of the Knights Templar, a medieval Christian military order known for their involvement in the Crusades and legendary treasure. The potential connection between the lead cross and the Knights Templar has fueled speculation that the treasure rumored to be hidden on Oak Island could be linked to this famous order. Some theories suggest that the Templars may have buried their treasure on the island to protect it from their enemies, or as part of a secret ritual. The discovery of the lead cross at Smith's Cove has several implications for the Oak Island treasure hunt. If the cross is indeed of medieval origin, it provides tangible evidence of activity on the island during that time period, adding credibility to the theory that Oak Island was visited or used by people hundreds of years ago. The possible connection to the Knights Templar has added a new layer of mystique to the Oak Island mystery, leading to renewed interest in exploring the island's history and its potential ties to this enigmatic order. The discovery of such a significant artifact has motivated the team to continue their exploration of Smith's Cove and other areas of the island. It reinforces the belief that there are still valuable clues and artifacts waiting to be uncovered. Another of the most interesting discoveries on Oak Island is the box drains found at Smith's Cove. These drains are believed to be part of an elaborate booby trap system connected to the money pit, designed to flood the pit with seawater if tampered with. This ingenious engineering feat has fascinated treasure hunters and historians alike, adding a layer of complexity to the mystery of Oak Island. The problem with this log structure that we found in Smith's Cove was simply this: is it a very simple explanation, or is it much more complex? Ponders one team member. The box drains were first discovered in the 19th century when treasure hunters noticed seawater flooding into the money pit, hindering their excavation efforts. Upon investigating the source of the water, They found a network of drains at Smith's Cove, leading them to believe that these were intentionally constructed to protect whatever was hidden in the money pit. Thought to be part of a sophisticated defense mechanism, the theory is that the drains are connected to the money pit through a series of tunnels. Any attempt to dig into the pit would trigger the flow of seawater into the pit through these drains, effectively flooding it and preventing further excavation. This booby trap system suggests that whoever constructed the money pit went to great lengths to safeguard its contents. The construction of the box drains is a testament to the ingenuity of their creators. Built from flat stones laid in a manner that forms a watertight channel, the drains converge at a point, creating a collector drain that directs seawater toward the money pit. The precise engineering required to design and construct this system indicates that the builders had a sophisticated understanding of hydraulics and engineering. The discovery of the box drains has had a significant impact on the treasure hunt on Oak Island. It has reinforced the belief that the money pit contains something valuable, worth protecting, with such an elaborate defense mechanism. The presence of the box drains has also added a level of difficulty to the treasure hunt, as any attempt to excavate the money pit must contend with the risk of triggering the booby trap and flooding the pit. The box drains at Smith's Cove are a fascinating aspect of the Oak Island mystery. Their discovery highlights the lengths to which the original builders went to protect the contents of the money pit. The existence of such an elaborate booby trap system suggests that whatever is hidden in the pit was considered extremely valuable. As the Oak Island team continues to uncover the secrets of the box drains, they move one step closer to solving the mystery that has captivated treasure hunters for centuries. Either way, we've a lot of work to do to try and uncover what it is and why it was put there, mentions a team member. The Chappell Vault is another of the most fascinating discoveries in the history of Oak Island's treasure hunt. In the 1930s, treasure hunter William Chappell came across what was believed to be